Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and peace be upon you all. Today inshallah I'm going to show you how to create the DEM layer of your country. Please click this link of the site. You will find it under the video. Now I want to create the DEM for Egypt. Select the squares that cover your area like this. And if you want to cancel, just double click. Now we will reselect our squares that cover Egypt. Click here to begin search. The results will show you each square and its DEM. Click here to download data. Extract your files. Refresh your folder. Drag and drop your layers from catalog tree to the table of contents. Click yes to build the pyramids. Now we will repeat the steps for the rest. Notice that each layer has a different symbology and different range, so we have to merge all of our DEM layers into one DEM. Search. Merge raster. Mosaic to new raster. Define your input rasters. Define your output location folder. Name your output raster. And don't forget to define your number of bands as 1. Well, something wrong happened here. The maximum elevation is illogic. We have to remove the layer. Do you know why? Because we have negative numbers in our minimum elevation values. So we have to make this negative values equal to 0. Spatial Analyst, MapAlgebra, Raster Calculator. Double click com function, double click your DEM layer, click less than, type 0, after the comma type 0 again, and type comma, space, and double click your DEM layer again. Name your output raster and click OK. Now the problem was solved. There is no negative value. Repeat this step for each DEM layer that has negative value. It's okay now. There are not negative values at all. Management tools. We want to mosaic our DEM layers again. Click raster and then raster dataset and then mosaic to new raster. Input rasters. Your output location folder. The name of your output layer and the number of bands must be equal to 1. This is our final DEM layer. Right click, properties, symbology, stretch, define your stretch, select your color, okay. Try classified, yes, to build the histogram. Choose your classes, use shade effects and try some values to get the better visualization. Create shade layer, 3D analysis, raster surface, shade, and follow the steps. Input raster, to avoid this yellow mark, type 2 and then type 1 again, then OK. Make the shade layer over the DEM layer and give it a little transparency. You can also convert your DEM layer into 10. This is the 10 layer and this is the shade and this is the shade over the DEM layer with a little transparency. We will cover this part of Saudi Arabia by drawing a white polygon over it. And so on for this part of Sudan too. And draw a blue line to complete this part of the vertical grid that covered by the polygon like this. Okay. I will modify the transparency of the shade layer a little bit. this is our final map. And sure, you can erase the parts of Saudi Arabia and Sudan from your tin by creating a polygon shape file and modify your tin using hard erase or soft erase. So, if you found this video useful for you, please click like and subscribe in my channel. Thank you.